This is a first-person eating tour from the Bacchanal Buffet in Las Vegas. Join me and see all that we ate and all the delicious food that you should try next. All right, we're trying out the French fries with the barbecue. Bacchanal Buffet. Hot wings. Ribs. Rack of lamb. Slab of bacon. And surf and turf taco. Now let's check out the seafood. This is an entire crab. I'm gonna give it a shot. This looks really, really good, and I know a few people in this line are feasting on these. All right, so I couldn't figure out how to eat that. What is the correct way?
Customarily, you just go like, oh.
Yeah, that's nice, that's good.
Where is that custom? I like it.
All right, so these are little tacos. Oh, really hot. Oh, really good. I don't know how to eat this. How do you eat a crab? Amy, got any suggestions?
You eat this part? Is it like
I think you just eat it. Oh, it's already dark. It's already whatevered.
Yeah.
Oh shit. He was good in that. Oh wow.
Oh man, you get one of those.
So what did I miss that I should have eaten? And for reference, that crab was absolutely delicious. But my favorite so far are the fries. Amy, what are you working on?
Okay, so we got some bang bang shrimp,
Bang bang shrimp.
a vegan beet poke bowl,
Mm-hmm.
some gourmet bread and butter, Korean barbecue wing, and shishito peppers.
Shishito peppers. Are they spicy?
These ones are.
They look like they're spicy. What would you get next? Maybe the shrimp? Chilled crabs, full-size crabs, steamed. Lobster claws. Cajun remoulade. I don't even know where I'd put this. Amanda, what are you trying?
Crab legs and scallops and a kimchi oyster and shrimp and grits. It's incredible. Mashed potatoes. It's awesome.
Watson, what do you have?
Seared scallop, bone marrow, roasted brisket.
I'm gonna look at this bone
I
marrow.
think it's a lamb rib.
What? That's crazy. The brisket looks good.
Yeah.
So far, my favorite has been the fries. They're really
Oh,
good.
the train wreck fries?
Oh yeah, train wreck fries. So there's a whole 2/3 of this section I didn't know. So these are some kind of stuffed balls. I love banh mi, but I don't know if I need all that bread. I'm putting down all the meats today. Filipino skewers. That is boom boom shrimp. Some kind of chicken, Asian chicken, volcano roll, and a mini gyro. I cannot wait to try these. Look at this little mini gyro. Mmm, so good. So Amy, what do you have there?
I got surf and turf tacos
Surf and turf tacos.
and a chicken tinga tostada.
And then I went back for more of these fries, these train wreck or something fries with barbecue on them. These are so tasty and they're so crisp. See, this has like almost like a bacon on it, brisket on it. And then I've got a taco here that has pineapple and pork on it. So a pineapple and pork al pastor taco. Very exciting. So Amy, can you tell us what you got?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is
Creme brulee? No?
Ube mousse, creme brulee, cheesecake, a hot chocolate mousse, and this is green tea panna cotta.
Green tea panna cotta. Looks amazing. And Watson, what are you going back for?
Oh man, look, crab rangoon, volcano roll, Filipino pork skewer, watermelon radish,
What?
yellowfin, pickled ginger, spicy edamame, meat,
Meat.
bang bang shrimp, and a little piece of XO chicken.
I did the XO chicken earlier. I forgot the name. The shrimp, the skewer. I did 4 of those items. Oh, you got the spicy edamame too. I did 5 of those items. First round of dessert. Vanilla cupcake. Very pretty. Cherry mochi. I'm not sure what a mochi is. Is that a donut? Pineapple upside down cake. That bowl is hot. And I think this is a lemon tart, but it was mislabeled as a pecan swirl, but I think it's a lemon tart. It's not a pecan swirl. Yeah, it's a lemon tart. Delicious.